Hello.
Hi.
Mambo.
Poa.
What's your real name?
Yvonne Nyanduko.
What's your TikTok name?
It's Nyanduko.
You're looking great, Nyanduko.
Thank
You just move
you.
or turn around at least sort of one. You're so nice.
Thank you.
So, what content do you do on TikTok?
At the moment, sijui kama kuna content nafanya. I really don't know, but I used to be a dancer.
Alright.
I stopped. Right now, I'm trying to pick up on something new.
Right.
Yeah.
Would you say content creation in Alipa?
Yeah. It does.
Does it pay your bills? Content creation in Alipa.
Hey, wow. Mimi najilipia bills na content.
What can you advise that young girl mwenye anakuocha and look up to you?
Whatever you're doing, that is kama nothing si kitu mbaya. In terms of, okay, when I say si kitu mbaya, I think one understand. I can say, do it with all your heart, give it all your best, and trust you me. And pia aombe. Kuomba muhimu.
Believe in God.
Wow.
Ushaiomba love prayers zako zikakuwa answered?
Many times.
Hey. So you recommend God?
Mungu kila wakati. Leo, kesho, forever.
So guys, vile mmesikia content creation na Lipa. Alright, so Yvonne, what's your favorite meal?
My favorite meal? Mimi napenda ugali.
Ugali na stew.
Ugali nyama.
Ama
ugali nyama ama ugali kuku.
Alright. One person you call the most?
My man!
Uko na man Yvonne. Like you are breaking so many people. Unajua kuna macrush wengi. Unaweza sema your man anaitwa nani?
Kidogo hapo kwa jina.
Hautaki kusema jina.
Sitaki tukue wengi. I fear ladies.
Okay, one person you love sana?
My mom.
Your mama. What can you tell your mom on camera?
Mom nakupenda sana. And come whatever.
Alright.
I must fulfill her promises.
You made some promises to her.
Yeah.
Alright. Do you have a celebrity crush?
No, I don't.
What? Lie. Kenya yote hakuna mtu amekubamba. Hey, can you cheat for money, Yvonne?
No, I can't.
You can't cheat for money.
Because najitafutia na niko na pesa zangu.
Hey. Yeah, I love that. Happy and poor, ama rich and depressed?
Happy and poor because I know. Okay, let me just rectify. Not really happy and poor. Because siwezi sema niko poor. Because mali nimetoka vile naenda.
At least you're right?
I'm happy and at the same time my life ina take step ingine moto sana.
So you're going to be rich and happy.
Exactly.
Hey, so can you ask me one question?
What's your real name?
My real name is Henry Ndaki.
Henry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jina poa sindio?
Sana.
Okay.
It's rare. It was nice meeting you.
Pleasure. Okay, Yvonne, before we end, ni kama unataka kuenda, just look at my camera tukiongea. Do you have a boyfriend sindio?
What
are the qualities you go for after a boyfriend?
Acha ni describe tu wangu.
Hey. Love kweli ni kitu nzuri.
Acha ni describe tu wangu. I can say my man very caring, loving, and ni very understanding, and at the same time he's the person who has motivated me to be where I am today.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yana amekuencourage, amekukea, amekuwa kinda. Hey, that's a perfect man.
Yeah.
A loyal guy or a rich guy?
Loyal
guy. Utaacha mtu akona pesa ende jua yuko loyal?
Like mimi, as I said earlier, pesa already niko kwa hiyo. And he has money too.
Oh, your man has money.
So like, okay, it's not all about money. In as much as we really need money kwa hii life, but kuna characters zenye tunaangalianga in life. Pesa si kila kitu because money can't buy breath, money can't buy happiness, and money iwezi kutoka kwa grave kurudisha uhai.
You see, you're a nice guy. When's the last time you cried, Yvonne?
The last time I cried? Yesterday.
Yes, ulikuwa unalia mbona?
Because I prayed to God and God answered my prayers. Yeah.
So those were happy tears, right? What do you do time uko low and you need to get yourself back to your normal self? What do you do to make sure you
talk to my man because I want a guide. He's always there for me.
So your man is your therapy.
Hey, my man is everything.
Seems like love ni gani kitu poa like ama hii love kwa nzuri watu wakidescribe.
No, love is good when you find the right person, the perfect person. The mtu mwenye vile tu nimesema, mtu mwenye mnaelewana. Mna like you guys are matching na ku understand and understand. Yeah.
And let's say you're
that is mwenye ako there for you in good times and in bad times.
Let's say you are low, like your man ako low in terms of finance. Na huko kuna kakitu. Do you support your man?
100%. Nimemsupport many times.
Alright.
Yeah.
So do you believe in 50-50 kwanza?
It's for me, I can say yes kwa sababu okay, si necessarily apply but kama uko nayo sawa. Kama hauna, I'm there for you.
Wow.
If I don't have, you're there for me. Hivyo tu.
Hey. You see one nice guy. Let's do a random drip check at least tuongelee fashion. Sindio? Tumva shingapi hivi?
Hiyo pesa kidogo, guys.
Okay, let's start with the hair. How much is your hair?
Truth be told, nilishkwanga na 600.
600 shillings.
Braids nilikuwa nishabuy. Braid moja nilinunua 80 bob. Ilikuwa Avis, yeah.
So let's say total how much for you?
Roughly, yezi pita 15.
1500. Okay, sindio? They let the jacket look so cute.
Time nilibuy 2K. Okay, kwa madam fulani wana model yangu though kuteremka huko chini kidogo nikapata inauzwa dhao iliniuma lakini kidogo true.
But pia class wina
matter. But sasa nilimpromote juu sasa pia ni boss wangu na namwakia ya.
Can you just turn around kwanza before tuone tu outfit kwa leo? Nakapoa sana. How much hii inaitwa jams kama inaitwaje?
As you can see, it is.
Yeah. How much?
Hiyo time nilibuy how much? 1100.
1100.
Yeah, from Wanjikondongo pale TikTok. Now bidhaa mumpromote.
But you are a fashion model, right? What can you tell the people when you're on a fashion na wanataka kumodeliwa?
I'm here for you. You can book me at an affordable price and I always deliver. Yeah, it's not all about money, but pia kudeliver muhimu. Yeah.
Okay, how much is the shoes?
Nilinunua 1500 ladies choice pale Platinum Plaza.
Okay. What can you tell the young girls that wanaingia wana face some challenges in life na wanashindwa kuhandle, maybe wana feel suicidal or something?
Come talk to me. Me, I always help where I can. And the best thing naweza waambia, me suicidal is not the best option. Trust to me, suicide is not the best option.
You reply DMs, umesema ukuja kuongelesha.
Yeah, mimi na najibinge. You can just ask around. I do reply unless umesema kitu yenye hai make sense. Nitasoma na ni ignore, but kama unaniambia tu kitu ya maana, I will help where I can.
So girls, if you feeling suicidal na unataka mtu akuongelesha, you can feel free to DM me on. It's Nyanduko, right?
Yeah, because come to think, okay, me personally, watu wananionanga hivi, but nobody knows my story.
Right.
So, hapo in that suicidal case, I have been there.
She faced the suicidal thoughts.
I do understand.
Will feel like
mtu anakuwa nanga umevaa, unakaa vizuri. Nobody knows me. Nobody understands me. Nobody knows my past. But again,
ulifanyaje ndio uka make sure ume overcome the thoughts?
Sasa hiyo time nilikuwa na hiyo nini ya suicidal. That's when God sent the man.
Hey. Oh man, kako kwa kila story. Like somtaje tu jina tulisa feel
my man.
Hey. Right. What the toughest thing you face kwa life?
The toughest thing.
No feeling guy hapa life inaweza end but
hey. A story for another day.
Another day, sindio? Can you promise us another interview, basi?
Next time nitawaambia.
Alright, that's a promise made. Just blow kisses to my fans.
Nawapenda. And then naweza waambia, in good times and in bad times, always pray. Trust in God.
Right.
God answers prayers during the right time.